Everyone, what is going on? My name's Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer. Now, I normally do my live trading session for you on Tuesday, but in fact, I'm going to get into a trade on USD CAD right now. In fact, price is dropping. So let me just take the trade and I'll explain to you why I am trading a day early. Bring this up here like that. USD CAD, I'm going for a 10-minute expiry and I'm waiting for, I'm getting in now. I'm going to get another one in, yes, and one more. I also might get a signal, no, USD CAD. In fact, I might, if price pulls up a little bit more, I might get into another trade here, see what happens. Okay, there we go, I'm firing one more. And one more. There we go. Nice. So these should all drop really nice into the money. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So yes. So tomorrow, in fact, I'm actually going traveling. Weirdly, I'm going to visit Ukraine. I'm going to be visiting Chernobyl. The power plant. The power plant that exploded, that is full of radiation. I'm going over there to hopefully explore it. I'm going to be documenting it and filming it all for my YouTube channel. So yes, I will bring you all along with me. So I'm going to be heading out there for a couple of days. So I thought I'd bring my trading forward and do my live trading for you now. Now, USD CAD, as you can see, I almost predicted that arrow appearing, okay? Now, I want to show you exactly why I got into this trade here and why I was pretty confident to stack these trades, okay? Now, first of all, we head over to the 5-minute charts, okay? And if I pull both of my pullback modes on like this, okay, you can see we've entered the sell zone, okay? Now, if you know this strategy, when the white line is on bottom, it's an uptrend, okay? When we cross over like here, white line goes on top, it becomes a downtrend, okay? Now, what we're doing with these strategy is we're looking to take trades in this zone here, in between the white and the green, okay? Hold on. It's not without shutting the door. So yes, we want to be taking trades inside this zone. So I can see it off the 5-minute charts, we're in this zone, and I can see it's a downtrend. So I've got my first confirmation to look for sell trades when the price is like this. Now I go over to the 1-minute charts, and we had a pretty much perfect, if I just turn the zones back on like here, okay, we can see we had a perfect two signals. We actually had one here and we had one here, okay? Now if I just zoom in like this, okay, we had our original signal, which was here, okay? We had a clear sign of divergence, price making higher highs, and also the RSI making lower highs, okay? We had a signal arrow here, okay? And I would have got in, I probably would have got in on this engulfing candle here. This is probably where I would have got into a trade. But nonetheless, if you got in on the signal arrow here, a 10-minute expiry would have won. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, a 10-minute expiry here. Now, what we actually did, everyone, is then come back up again and we created almost like a double top pattern here. Okay, you can see them almost the double top here. Again, divergence on the RSI and two significant wicks, this one here and this one here, to signify yes, we are rejecting. Now, you notice how the price is just pulled back up now. Now, when I trade the normal binary destroyer rules, I normally set my moving average to this, and you'll find now that the price is rejecting off this moving average, okay, which you can see it is here. Price breaks below the moving average, comes back up and touches it, okay, and we should see something like this now. Well, fingers crossed, because I've got quite a large money on this. We should see something like this and then pull down. So for me right now, there's a lot of signs telling me to sell the market, okay? If we just go back over to the 5-minute charts, we'll count them up now. So we've got, if I just pull my pullback modes on, there we go. We've got price in the sell zone, okay, which it was because I just changed my moving average, so just forget that one. So in fact, I'll show you. Okay, let's just bring it back up again, and I'll actually show you what I mean. Okay, right, so pullback mode on, like that. So first confirmation, we're in the sell zone. First confirmation, it's a downtrend. Second confirmation, we go over to the 1 minute charts. Okay, pullback mode back off. Okay, and again, I want to change that white moving average to this one here. Third confirmation is significant candlestick patterns, double top area here. So that's my third confirmation. We've got a signal arrow. That's my fourth confirmation. We've got diversions. We've got fifth confirmation, and now we're closing below and rejecting from this moving average. So 6 confirmations confirming that the price is going to drop. Now, as you can see, we are out of the money. But again, I'm looking at this and thinking, okay, we are still below that moving average. So we've got 4 minutes to go. I'm still pretty confident price will slow down. Okay, if it doesn't, then I might be in for another selling opportunity. So even though hopefully these win, if they don't win, okay, not to worry. Okay, I will look to re-enter this trade if we do not go higher than this level here. So as you can see, this is my significant high. Okay, we had a high here, we made a higher high, okay, and rejection. So if we come back up to this area, okay, again, and we start to reject from this level, then again, I will look to sell the market, hopefully second time, and this becomes our winner. So apart from that, there's nothing really else. You see, GPUSD is definitely a downtrend, forming a double top, double bottom pattern there. AUD/USD, what's AUD/USD doing? Okay, AUD/USD, is that an uptrend or downtrend? It is funny enough, it's a downtrend, but I will probably avoid taking that because it looks like we're just going sideways. Yeah, look, we're just going sideways here. So I'm going to ignore that. And I'm going to head over back to USD CAD, and we should start to fall down now. So what I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video. I'll be back in 2 minutes, and hopefully hopefully these drop into the money for the next 2 minutes. If they don't, I will potentially look to re-enter on this trade because there's a lot of signals confirming to me we are slowing down as well by looking at the RSI as well. See how we're rejecting? Look at the candlesticks here. Rejection, rejection, rejection. So look, there we go. And we're rejecting again. So fingers crossed we drop into the money here. I shall pause the video, everyone, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so just under 20 seconds to go, and as you can see, we have started to pull down, and we're still pushing down. You see, we're still below that moving average, so hopefully, fingers crossed, there we go, we start to dip into, here we go, we're pushing down now. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, nice, nice, nice. So as you can see, all coming nicely into the money now. Right, that is it. Oof. Right, so we lost those 2 trades, okay? That's the exact reason, everyone, why I do stack my trades and not put one big lot size. Because if I had one large trade on here, so I probably would have lost it. But because I stacked these, you'll notice I won some and lost some, and I think overall on this setup I won. But just because I might take another setup because I won't be trading for a few days and I want to get some money in. So it looks like all the pairs at the minute are falling down. GPUSD is crashing hard. USD/JPY is going up. That means USD CAD will be going up now. Euro USD, yes, look, exactly, we're trading around news at the minute. I definitely believe if I just Google if I just I'm just going to have a quick look if there's any news about at the minute. So it is Forex news. Where is the Forex factory? Here we go, see if there's any news. I believe there will be news because it's exactly coming up to 4 o'clock. So Monday, okay, NZD, GPU, okay, not really a lot. I wouldn't say enough for this, but it's definitely something going on in the markets right now. Okay, USD JPY has just gone flying at the minute, so a little, you know, a little risky. Just for everyone, if anyone would have took this setup and lost, that's not your fault. That's purely because there's something going on in the markets. Look how GPUSD has crashed. AUD as well, look, also crashed. So we could actually play this as our favor because USD CAD has come back up to this zone at the top here, which is rather interesting. If you go to the 5 minutes, we're still in that zone here. So we might get another sell opportunity on USD CAD. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm not going to trade any other pairs because every other pair at the minute, like you see, is going a little bit crazy. So I'm just going to stick with USD JPY now. Notice how the momentum's still slowing down. So I'm just going to give it a few minutes and see what USD CAD does. If it comes back up to this zone a little bit more, I might enter another sell opportunity. So what I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so I thought I'd just update you on USD CAD. Now notice, okay, this is a, I just want to kind of show you as it's happening live what's going on with USD CAD, because at the minute, okay, if you go over to the 5 minute charts, okay, we're still in that sell zone at the top. We're still here, okay, even though we've got some bullish movement, big engulfing candles, we're still rejecting from this level, okay. We're still, it looks like there's support here. If I just bring up my zone, my support zone here, you can see that we're at, looks like a break and retest of this level. You see rejection here, and we come back up here, and it looks like we're rejection. So it's literally, all I'm doing now is just waiting for some kind of signal to get into another sell trade. Maybe a large engulfing candle, maybe a break below the moving average, maybe a signal arrow, okay? But at the minute, okay, if you come up to here, okay, look, notice how we're still going higher, but the RSI is actually still lower, okay? Even though it has pushed higher, okay, look, we're still rejecting, okay? So I want to see what happens, okay? Are we eventually going to close below? It's just sometimes you've just got to see. I might see what happens here. What I'll do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video again, and I'll actually wait until I enter a trade, hopefully on this setup, and yeah, I'll be back. Right, literally the moment I ended that video, we had a large engulfing candle, right? So I might fire off one signal here. There's my signal arrow. Okay, we've got that signal arrow. Okay, let me see what the 5 minute charts is saying. When you trade a setup like this, you've literally got to get in as soon as that candle closes. Look, if you notice now, I'm already deep into the money, so I don't particularly now want to enter another trade. If the price comes back up, let's say to here, I will enter another sell trade. But as you can see, I've caught this setup perfectly at a really good price. So see, look, here we go. I might enter another one now. Bang. Okay, I'll see what happens here. Again, notice we're below that moving average, so again, another confirmation. There's that signal arrow confirming this. Another good thing to look at is, you notice USD CAD's going down now. Yeah, look at the other pairs. Are they turning as well? So AUD USD should be turning. Yeah, AUD USD is going up, right? So if AUD USD is going up, USD CAD will be coming down. Okay, and vice versa, like Euro USD is going down and USD Chef will go up. So I believe we caught this at a right time. GP USD has been crashing all day. Literally been, it's moved maybe around, what's this, 29th, yeah, literally since the 25th, which is 4 days, it has moved 296 pips to the downside. So not very good for me if I want to be exchanging my my pounds as I head over to Ukraine tomorrow. Definitely do not want to be doing that. Okay, USD CAD, you see here, it's dropped nicely. So yeah, I'm pretty confident with these two trades now, and hopefully that will be my kind of icing on the pudding to end my trading session for the week. So I'll pause the video, everyone, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so just under 1 minute to go, and yeah, as you can see, I have finished and completed my trading session for this week. Obviously I just took the one setup on USD CAD, but I wanted to really just show you on how you can capture the most amount of, like, let's say ITMs from one setup. You know, if you actually look at it now, can you see how we're still rejecting from this zone? You know, we haven't really gone any higher. You know, if you want to say this is a head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute time frame, it's up to you, but you can see the shoulder here. Okay, come up, create a head, then our second shoulder, and then we drop. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, my first set of trades, I won and then lost a couple, I think, and then I re-entered again on the same setup. So if you do lose trades on a setup, it doesn't necessarily mean forget about it. It might give you an opportunity to re-enter at a better price. And as you can see, you know, I re-entered again, and both of these were a beautiful winner. Now, looking out, as you can see, you know, it's our USD JPY drops, and then USD CAD will kind of follow it suit as well. But yeah, that is it. There won't be any more videos for me this week, obviously, because I'll be in Chernobyl, but I'll be filming it for you so you can come along with me, and I'll be uploading that kind of blog to you next week. So yes, I hope you have an awesome trading week, and I will see you all for next week. So have an awesome one, and my name's Jamie Palmer. Thank you.